Pam 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 pam. What is good, YouTube? Show your data finish. Back here in another video. So today we have a special game called Sonic Dash 2 Sonic Boom. So today gonna be trying my best to beat a record that is the top 1 million. That's very hard. I've been practicing for a while. So what? Let's try that out and click on play. Sorry, you can see my face. It's pretty much all this. Let me what do I do? So now we're gonna play. I'm gonna try to be 1 million because that's the total. Yes, I mean 32,000, and the main person is just 1 million. The first Sonic. Sonic is in 1 million. I've not made my account yet, but I'll be making my account soon. So yeah, it's not gonna run. So let's hope that I can beat this. So 3, 2, 1. Let's dash off. So now we're running. You can see I'm controlling well. Yeah. Okay. We're still on the lane, but yeah. Let's see what can happen. We're 5,000. Now, guys, I can't talk to you. You can be hearing some sounds around, but yeah. I'm just gonna be playing, and playing. I've just made a new intro for Yeti the Phoenix. Yeah. Oh. Oh! Shit, I forgot. I have 14 of this. Oh, okay, let's not mess up again. Let's not mess up again. Let's go again. Guys, download this game so you can. Maybe you might see my name, but I'll still try and. Let's rest Sonic. I'm gonna be using Amy for like 2, 3 times now, because when they start getting fast, like 5 times, we can get on the revenue. So yeah. Yeah. Beat your ass up. I'm so scared. Oh, oh! Woo! I forgot about the. Honestly, guys, I forgot that I was not meant to turn there. Let's try again. If you want to add a friend, if you have the game, just go online on the game. For Android or your young phone, your tablet or your iPad. Comment down below. What's my name in Sonic? And I'll tell you. And if you want to contact me in PlayStation, you're free to. But I'm gonna chat you about that later. So, yeah, it's cool. And I'm starting to get a thumbnail. I'm still working on my thumbnails. I'm not sure what I do with the thumbnail, but yeah. My hands are all sticky, so I'm hoping that. Okay, now we're gonna rest Sonic for now. I'm gonna use Amy for about, like as I said, 3, 4, 5 times. So Amy can see Amy's very fast, so I'm gonna try and get there. Okay. Let's try and get those. My hands are freaking sticky, that's why it's making me more harder. Oh, oh shit! Oh, I'm messing up all the time again. I've worked hard for all those 14 stars, coins, or whatever it's called. I'm not really a Sonic fan, but yeah, I had to make this video when I saw it because I felt like I should just make it. I like Amy because of this. Yeah. She just before I used to think Amy is like married to Sonic, or Amy is Sonic's sister. I made a mistake just now because whenever I get here, they'll think that I want more harder stuff. So they'll give me 2 times harder than what I'm meant to get. That's why I don't like Sonic sometimes. Look what I was talking about. This is what I was exactly talking about. Okay, I got 18,000. Woo! Wow, this is very annoying. This is very annoying. I feel like I want to give up now, but I want to keep on trying like a couple more times. Maybe in another video again, I can still try again. Because I'm trying to get that high score. Comment down below if you want me to play Subway Surfers and more Clash of Clans. I'm posting the Clash of Clans. I posted a Clash of Clans video before this video. Yeah, go check it out. I posted a Clash of Clans video. Sorry I've not been posting so much. Just been busy thinking of what to post, thinking of what to make, all those things, thinking of what to edit about. Why couldn't you just jump on top of there? That's so crap. That's why I don't like Sonic sometimes. Why couldn't you just jump on top of there and do something cool? Why couldn't you slide on top? Look what I was saying. Why couldn't you slide on top instead of doing shit, as in jumping around, doing all this thing? Why couldn't you just give it a this thing? So highest I want to pass 100 points, 100,000. I'm trying to make it 200, 100 something. I'm not good at Sonic. I don't even play Sonic normally. Just play other games. I play Pool City. I play classic games. Sonic is a classic game. I liked the old Sonics. Yeah, I liked the old Sonics more than I like Sonic Forces. I'll be downloading that one very soon. We'll be playing Sonic Forces very soon. Very soon I'll bring Sonic Forces to the channel. I don't give a heck. I don't care whether I lose all these red coins or whatever they're called. Comment down below what they're called. I don't care whether I lose all of them because I don't play Sonic. I don't have any relative in Sonic, so only one of my friends. So let's talk about more play or whatever that means. I'm just devastated. Looking forward to doing. Yeah, Amy. Well, let's test it again. I want to talk, but I don't have anything to do. Sonic, like I said before. Look, I could have missed that one. Why do you make it complicated? Well, I think we're Asian now. Yeah. I like that one that uses string line. Sorry, I'm still talking, I know, right? Stop talking. I just don't like Sonic. I don't know why. But I like the old Sonic, but this one, alright. Going to Mr. Eggman's lair, whatever it's called. Let's use Sonic. Let's be fast with this. Let's be done with this. Let's be all done. What should I name myself? Comment down below. Your leader Sonic or what? That's what I'm talking about. Alright, we're getting fast now. Now we're talking. We're getting fast now. Oh, my favorite part! I like this thing, man. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Oh shit, I forgot the volume isn't loud. So you guys can hear me. But I don't want the volume to be too loud so that you guys can hear me. That's what thing I wanted to say. Green price, yay! 2 red of those stars. Whatever. Let's try and get 1 million. 1 million. I'm going to be making a video very soon. My morning routine. It's a lot of things, but yeah. You just take what you need to do is video yourself doing stuff that you do at home every morning. that you're used to, so you just do it all the time. But it takes a while to edit. It takes time. I want to do it when school resumes because school is resuming this September. So I'm not sure when I can do it, but I go to boarding school and we're not allowed to carry phones there, or cameras or nothing. Except it's visiting day that you can get something, chill around with your parents and all that stuff. Yeah, but sorry you can't see my face because tried singing before. It's a long process, but nah, it's not that hard. My system is almost done. I'm getting gaming headsets for my PS4. Like I told you, I just got a PS4, so I guess. Who watches the VMA? I do, because I found out that Jonas X won an award. That was nice. He's nice. I like the song. Comment down below if you don't know who Jonas X is while you're still learning. If you don't know who Jonas X is, we're still learning, but fortunately you know him very soon. Who knows XXX Tentacion? I don't talk about it. Passed a while ago, but yeah. Let's use Sonic. I want to be quick at once. I just want to be quick. I want to be quick with everything. After this, if I lose, I have to end the video. I have to end it. Well, a nice person. Oh, thank you. No, shit! Oh, I was so scared. I was so scared because I forgot. I don't even know. Can't pay attention. Let's continue with Sonic. Sonic Dash is ready! Oh, I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. Just a while ago, I was being bored, trying to make a video, trying to learn how to play Sonic because I'm a Sonic newbie. Some people, if they play Sonic for you, you won't even know. You'll be so out of mind. Like, if they play Sonic for you, you won't even be notice. Your mind just be gone. So guys, if you haven't watched this video, comment down below, like, comment, subscribe, and the Dida Phoenix is out of here. Yeah. So